you work with split screen a lot in Scrivener 3 for Windows. Then you might want to use this trick to make things easier. There's nothing worse than working in split screen, forgetting what you're doing for a second, and you end up clicking on something which changes your main editor. What if you could make sure that only ever affected the other editor, the split screen? Well, first get what you want to work on set up in your main editor. Then go to Navigate, Binder Selection Effects, and choose Other Editor. From that point on, everything you click on will only affect what's in the other editor. Because of this, obviously, you won't be able to change what's in the main editor while you still have split screen up. And you have plenty of other options in the list, depending on your specific requirements. Next time, we'll be talking about emojis as icons.